All charges listed by the SEC are completely, blatantly false. Unicoin has been the most compliant cryptocurrency in the United States, the only one which chose to be audited for 6 years, public reporting for over 3 years, the company which went through 2 prior exhaustive SEC investigations with flying colors and no violations found. I won 5 previous lawsuits against the federal government, and I'm going for 6 out of 6.
Wow.
The SEC had to pay with taxpayer dollars nearly $2 million in legal fees for this material misrepresentation, for this lie. You are aware of that, I'm sure.
This is a dramatic true story about the still ongoing war in crypto, a well-documented government conspiracy aimed at suppressing the cryptocurrency industry in the United States. The stakes cannot be higher. This war is about controlling the future of money. The cryptocurrency market has already surpassed $4 trillion and is expected to continue its rapid growth, gradually replacing the traditional banking system and government-issued currencies.
During the Biden presidency, Gary Gensler, the powerful chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission, waged his notorious war on crypto, which was so unconstitutional that 18 states sued the SEC as a result, and a federal court fined the SEC for gross abuse of power.
18 states are now suing the Securities and Exchange Commission and its 5 commissioners over unconstitutional overreach of digital assets. The lawsuit is charging that the agency's crackdown on crypto companies is unconstitutional because it violates fundamental principles of federalism.
Unicoin, arguably the most compliant and impactful cryptocurrency company in the United States, became the last crypto company targeted by Gensler's SEC. Weeks after the President-elect Trump promised to put an end to the war on crypto and fire Gensler right on Inauguration Day, Gensler's SEC sent Unicoin a notice of their intent to sue Unicoin. To date, Gensler's henchmen are persecuting Unicoin using grotesquely absurd charges and inflicting multi-billion-dollar damages on thousands of its investors.
The SEC's lawsuit is an attack not just on Unicoin, but on responsible innovation in the digital asset industry. Alex Konanikan and his team have been transparent, compliant, and forward-looking from the start.
The SEC launched its lawfare attack on Unicoin in early 2024, shortly after Unicoin announced its plans to get listed on stock and crypto exchanges, and initiated a massive advertising campaign. The Unicoin logo was visible in thousands of taxis, on billboards, on cars, boats, TV screens, and the internet.
Evidently, Gary Gensler, the infamous SEC chairman, feared that Unicoin's listing on the New York Stock Exchange would be seen as a humiliating defeat in his war on crypto and ordered his enforcement team to destroy Unicoin by any means possible. Finding no violations, Gensler's crypto destruction team crudely fabricated false charges against Unicoin.
Unicoin is the rare crypto company that voluntarily chose to register with the SEC, chose to file audited financial statements, chose to do everything above board to attract the most sophisticated investors. It's precisely the type of innovative yet compliant company that can help the US become a world leader in the crypto space. But unfortunately, the SEC appears to be continuing its disastrous approach of crypto regulation by enforcement. We're going to fight it all the way.
So whom exactly is the SEC trying to damage through aggressive lawfare aimed at Unicoin?
The first category of victims is thousands of Unicoin investors. The estimated damage inflicted on them by the SEC conspiracy is $25 billion. Before the SEC's lawfare attack, investors were buying Unicoins at a valuation of $19 billion, and the stock market would likely give Unicoin a significant premium for becoming the first publicly traded crypto company in the United States. The SEC destroyed the shareholder value of Unicoin, depriving thousands of investors of their profits.
The SEC is trying to destroy Silvina Moschini, a founder of Unicoin and its chief strategy officer. Silvina's story starts as an immigrant from Argentina driven by ambition and vision. She was born in Argentina and rose quickly through the corporate ranks, including leadership roles at major firms. Later, she founded and led companies in the digital economy, platforms focused on remote work, transparency, and female empowerment.
The SEC is trying to destroy Alex Dominguez. Unicoin's chief investment officer. With extensive experience in real estate and finance, Alex is the person behind the unprecedented success of Unicoin's Real Estate for Unicoins program.
The SEC is trying to destroy Alex Konyanikan. Like Silvina, Alex is an American immigrant success story. Born in Russia, Alex immigrated to the United States in 1982, becoming the first person to be granted asylum from post-Soviet Russia for political reasons. Specifically, the court granted his asylum for opposing corruption in Russia.
And now it's time to introduce the persecutors. Gary Gensler, the architect of the anti-crypto lawfare, became so despised for his massive violations of law that President Trump promised to fire him during his first day in office, which caused the standing ovation.
I will fire Gary Gensler and appoint a new SEC chairman.
Gary Gensler quietly set aggressive crypto crackdown in motion before leaving, by promoting anti-crypto crusaders and tasking them to actively sabotage President Trump's efforts to make America the crypto capital of the world.
The same SEC team that initiated the persecution of Unicoin under Gensler is continuing the prosecution.
So why is it so crucial for the anti-crypto crusaders to destroy Unicoin?
Well, the answer is simple. Unicoin was on its way to introduce the ultimate cryptocurrency, the made-in-the-USA alternative to Bitcoin, more scalable and energy efficient, audited and publicly reporting. The SEC crypto fighters seem to be prepared to commit any abuses of power to prevent it from happening.
Here's the overview of Unicoin's business concept released in 2023.
We like to see ourselves as the cryptocurrency of the future, the cryptocurrency that allows anyone to participate in the building of their future. Crypto is, without a doubt, an entry point for anyone who want to get into the world of investment. We're building something that the market never has seen.
Now, transparency is one of the key differentiators of Unicoin from other cryptocurrencies. One way in which we keep a lot of transparency is we use a lot of external firms that help us in our accounting standards and our accounting reporting.
We also offer a variety of different financial tools for our investors from all over the world to participate. It's not just selling them coins outright, but we also give them the opportunity to buy coins on leverage. So it's a great way for investors being able to participate in the high growth of Unicoin thus far.
We envision Unicoin as, we said, the cryptocurrency of the future because we address all the issues related to traditional cryptocurrency.
Persecution of Unicoin is the ongoing part of the war on crypto, and it continues to damage the United States' reputation. Unicoin is well positioned to become an important part of President Trump's vision of making America the crypto capital of the world.